Where is our topsoil going? Topsoil is the fertile soil that we rely on for our food. Now, there are a few key factors that have led to our topsoil starting to disappear, such as erosion, the use of chemicals, and even nutrient deficiency, just to name a few. Or when housing developers purchase farmland and they strip away the topsoil before they put the houses on. But what happens to the topsoil that they stripped away? Well, depending on the contract, they often sell it, which creates quite a bit of a challenge to anyone who wants to garden, grow their own food, or even do some basic landscaping. To make matters worse, most housing developers replace the topsoil with invasive trees, such as the Callery pear, a weak excuse for a tree, and put down turf that does nothing for the microorganisms or the planet. And most turf they put down require fertilizers that are toxic to wildlife. Like we need any more of that. So if you're growing a garden, be it vegetables, flowers, or you're just doing some landscaping, learn about your soil health, because your current soil state may not provide enough nutrients for healthy plants. Doing things like organic fertilizing, amending your soil, and planting a diversity of plants can add nutrients and organic material back into your soil, which helps rebuild the microorganism. The point is, if you want to grow happy and healthy plants, you need happy and healthy soil. Get to know your soil. Be better than those who choose not to. Happy growing.